Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your go-to channel for discovering top-rated products across a variety of categories. I'm excited to have you here with us today. In this episode, we're diving into a crucial area that affects everyone: safety. We all know that ensuring the safety of our homes, workplaces, and loved ones is of paramount importance. That's why today, we're counting down the best-selling safety products on Amazon. These are the products that thousands of customers have trusted and purchased to keep their environment secure. So without further ado, let's jump right in and explore the top safety products that Amazon has to offer. Stay tuned as we reveal the must-have items that can make a significant difference in your safety and peace of mind. Let's go. When it comes to safety on the road, having the right tools can make all the difference. At number 5 on our countdown of best-selling safety products on Amazon, we have the Safety Triangles DOT approved Standard Warning Triangles Emergency Reflector, a must-have for every vehicle owner. Imagine this. You're driving late at night on a deserted highway when suddenly you experience a breakdown. The darkness and the quiet amplify the urgency of your situation. This is where our safety triangles step in. Crafted from high-quality plastic, these triangles are not just durable, they're built to last. They won't break easily, ensuring they're ready to use when you need them the most. The reflective film on these triangles is a game changer. It offers a superior reflective effect, making sure that any oncoming vehicle can see you from a distance. It's not just about being seen, it's about being safe. The wide viewing angle and high visibility design mean that these triangles can effectively warn other drivers, enhancing your personal safety on the road. Portability is key. These triangles are compact and lightweight, fitting neatly into a durable storage bag. You can store them in your trunk, car, or even a backpack. The handle design makes them incredibly easy to carry and hang, so you're always prepared, no matter where you are. These reflective warning triangles aren't just for cars. Whether you're driving a truck, riding a bicycle, navigating a motorcycle, or cruising in an RV, these triangles are essential. They're versatile enough to suit a variety of vehicles, making them a crucial accessory for any emergency or outdoor activity. Their uses are extensive. From roadside emergencies and traffic accidents to breakdowns and flat tires, these triangles have got you covered. Whether you're changing a tire or dealing with a sudden roadside crisis, they provide the visibility and warning you need to stay safe. In summary, the Safety Triangles DOT approved Standard Warning Triangles Emergency Reflector are a smart investment for anyone looking to enhance their safety on the road. Durable, highly visible, portable, and versatile, they're an essential addition to any vehicle's safety kit. Drive with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for whatever the road throws your way. At number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling safety products on Amazon, we present the Arapta ERT01 HD Backup Camera. This universal rear-view license plate reverse camera is designed for every type of vehicle, whether you drive a car, pickup truck, SUV, minivan, or sedan. Picture this. You're navigating a busy parking lot, trying to reverse into a tight spot. The stress mounts as you worry about unseen obstacles. With the Arapta ERT01, those worries vanish. This camera is compatible with both old and new cars, effortlessly integrating with 1224 VDC power systems. It connects seamlessly to radios, DVD players, OEM navigators, or any display with RCA video inputs. Installation is a breeze. Simply connect the camera's power to your reversing light and link the camera to your display using the 26 feet AV cable. Complete accessories and an easy-to-follow installation manual mean you can set up your backup camera quickly, saving precious time. But it's not just about ease of use. Clarity is key. With 6 glass lenses and the latest upgraded chip, this camera offers crystal-clear, real-time video with 100% true color reproduction. Night driving? No problem. The 10 LED lights automatically illuminate in low light conditions, providing a vivid color image even in the dark. Safe reversing and driving have never been easier. Versatility and durability set the Arapta ERT01 apart. It comes with 2 brackets, one hidden metal bracket for seamless installation behind the license plate, and additional mounting brackets for the trunk, sides, mirrors, and more. This camera's IP69K waterproof rating ensures it withstands dust, shocks, and water. boasting a hard metal housing made from high-density impermeable material. It's built to last. The 149 degrees wide viewing angle, with adjustable up and down angles, eliminates blind spots, offering a comprehensive view that makes parking safer and simpler. What's in the box? You'll receive one backup camera, 2 metal brackets, an AV cable, a power cable, an installation manual, a 2-year warranty, and lifetime technical support from the dedicated Erapta support team. In summary, the Erapta ERT01 HD backup camera is your ultimate parking and reversing assistant. Durable, versatile, and easy to install, it provides a clear, wide-angle view that enhances safety and peace of mind. Say goodbye to parking stress and hello to effortless maneuvering with Erapta. At number 3 on our countdown of the best-selling safety products on Amazon, we introduce the eLook Deer Warning Whistles device for cars. This small but mighty device is a game-changer for road safety, designed to prevent collisions with wildlife. Imagine driving through a serene, wooded area. Suddenly, a deer appears in your path. In that split second, your heart races and you swerve. This scenario is all too common, but with the eLook Deer Warning Whistles, such incidents can be averted. These tiny devices emit a high-pitched sound that drives animals away, keeping them off the road and ensuring your journey remains safe and uninterrupted. What sets the eLook Deer Warning Whistles apart is the upgraded adhesive tape. Made with high-quality acrylic double-sided adhesive, these whistles stick securely to your vehicle, whether on the bumper or grille. The best part? They can be easily removed without leaving any trace, maintaining your car's pristine appearance. Size matters, especially when it comes to aesthetics. Each whistle measures just 0.55 by 0.6 by 1.1 inches, making them discreet and unobtrusive. They blend seamlessly with any vehicle type, ensuring they don't detract from your car's look while offering superior protection. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, these whistles are built to last. The excellent craftsmanship ensures durability, providing you with reliable performance trip after trip. The package includes 2 whistles, giving you comprehensive coverage for your vehicle. Customer satisfaction is paramount. eLook's service team is dedicated to providing 100% satisfactory service. Encounter a problem? Reach out to them, and they'll solve it swiftly, ensuring you're never left in the lurch. In essence, the eLook Deer Warning Whistles device is a small investment with a big impact. It enhances your safety on the road, protects wildlife, and gives you peace of mind during your travels. Drive confidently, knowing you're prepared for whatever nature throws your way. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling safety products on Amazon? Well, make sure to buckle up and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you're always in the driver's seat for our latest videos. At number 2 on our countdown of best-selling safety products on Amazon, we introduced the Backup Camera Easy Setup Plug Play by LK3. This remarkable device takes the stress out of reversing, making your driving experience safer and more convenient. Imagine navigating through a crowded parking lot, tight spaces everywhere, your nerves on edge. Now, picture the ease with which the LK3 backup camera guides you. Installation? A breeze. In just 15 minutes, you're ready to go. Connect the camera and monitor with the provided 4-pin video power cable, then plug the system into your cigarette lighter or USB plug. It's truly plug-and-play simplicity. Prefer an automatic setup? Connect it to your reversing lights and watch as the reversing image is triggered automatically when you shift into reverse. Signal stability is crucial. The LK3 outperforms other backup camera kits, ensuring a stable signal with minimal energy loss. No delays, no interference, no fluctuations, just real-time HD 1080p color images that make driving safer and more secure. Weather? Not a problem. The camera's housing, made of durable ABS-TC material, utilizes cutting-edge nano-coating sealing technology. This provides IP69 level waterproof performance, standing strong in extreme temperatures from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Rain, dust, high winds, scorching heat, nothing can diminish its performance, making it a steadfast guardian of your safety. Image quality is paramount. The advanced optical anti-shaking technology, combined with the SC1346 color image sensor chip, ensures crisp, clear images even on the bumpiest roads. With built-in white LEDs, anti-halo chip, and 650 filter chip, the camera automatically switches to night vision in low light, delivering HD 1080p resolution images, day and night. The design is thoughtfully crafted. The 4.3-inch LCD display is the perfect size, more focused and clearer than larger models, without obstructing your view. The suction cup bracket, made of ABS plus TPU material, rotates 360 degrees for optimal placement on your dashboard or windshield. It's stable, resilient, and won't fall off, even after prolonged exposure to sunlight. Customization is key. Adjust the parking grid lines to suit your needs, or turn them off entirely. Modify brightness, contrast, and image flip settings to match your preferences. This backup camera is universally compatible with most vehicles: cars, trucks, trailers, RVs, vans, SUVs, campers, eliminating blind spots and enhancing safety. Customer satisfaction is our priority. Tomoya offers a free 30-day money-back guarantee, a 2-year quality warranty, and lifetime technical support. Questions or issues? Our dedicated team is ready to assist. In essence, the backup camera easy setup. Plug Play by LK3 is a vital addition to any vehicle. It's reliable, easy to install, and packed with features that ensure your safety. Drive with confidence, knowing you have the best in backup camera technology watching over you. At the top of our countdown of the best-selling safety products on Amazon, we present the Universal Car Rear View Camera License Plate Bracket. This essential accessory revolutionizes the way you install and use your rear view camera, making it simpler and more effective than ever before. Imagine this. You're setting up your new dash cam kit, ready to enhance your vehicle's safety. The small mount included just doesn't seem right. Enter the Universal Car Rear View Camera License Plate Bracket. Designed to replace the small mount, this bracket makes installation a breeze. Easier to manage, more intuitive to use. But let's dive into the specifics. The distance between the two screw holes on this bracket is precisely 13 mm. It's crucial to confirm that your reversing camera matches this measurement. This simple check ensures a perfect fit, giving you confidence in your purchase and installation process. What's included in this package? You get a license plate bracket, a rear view camera holder, and installing screws. Everything you need for a smooth and secure installation. This isn't just a bracket, it's a comprehensive solution to your rear view camera mounting needs. Versatility is at the core of this product. It's a universal bracket designed to work with any rear camera, provided the screw hole distance is 13 mm. This means whether you have a new system or an existing setup, this bracket can seamlessly integrate, enhancing your vehicle's safety with minimal hassle. One important note. This bracket is tailored specifically for US car license plates. Ensure you don't install your backup camera upside down. Always test the picture before finalizing the installation. This simple step guarantees you're getting the best view and performance from your rear camera. In conclusion, the Universal Car Rear View Camera License Plate Bracket is a game changer. It simplifies installation, ensures a secure fit, and enhances the functionality of your rear view camera. With this bracket, you're not just adding a product to your vehicle, you're investing in your safety and peace of mind. Make the smart choice. Choose the Universal Car Rear View Camera License Plate Bracket and drive with confidence.
We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling safety products on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Until next time, thank you, and see you soon.